Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Julie and I like to talk about handbags here on this channel. And if you're not new and you're returning, thank you guys so much for joining me again today. So today this video is just very sporadic. It was definitely inspired by a fellow YouTuber here that many of you guys may know. Her name is Suze What? Says What? Suze What? It's probably Says What, and I am so sorry if I have mispronounced your channel name, but if you guys haven't checked her out, definitely do. She is freaking hilarious. Her dry sense of humor cracks me up so much. And she loves Dooney and Bourke, and I think we can all appreciate someone who loves Dooney and Bourke. So the theme of this video though is Satchel September. So it's already September 4th when I'm filming this. I want to go over all my satchels in my collection, and I'm going to try to do a little challenge that I have to use only my satchels for the month of September. So this is a little bit of a challenge, and it's just a little video I want to put together to show you guys my satchel collection. And I do have just two brands represented in my satchel collection. I have Dooney and Bourke, and I have Coach. Yes, Coach satchels. So there's 9 bags that I'm going to show you. A lot of these are repeated styles, and I'm sorry, I'm pretty sure I probably showed these on my channel a lot. I think I'll vary these all up just to kind of mix it around. So first and foremost, this is going to be my Dooney and Bourke mini Florentine satchel in the color Elephant. I just showed this on one of my videos just recently of what's in my bag and my black Florentine satchel. I showed this one in that video, but no, this is just so super good. It's Florentine leather, of course, and it's smooth Florentine. Like, this is a perfect smooth Florentine satchel. And a satchel, I believe, has 2 handles and either a shoulder strap or a crossbody strap. So it can be worn in multiple different ways, multi-carry. I think that would be the definition of a satchel. I could be wrong. But yeah, this is just one of my beautiful Florentine satchels. And I have 5 Dooney and Bourke satchels I'm gonna go over with you guys today. Feet on the bottom, of course. The color is Elephant. I would have to say Elephant is definitely like a deep taupe color. I'm trying to remember the Coach color that was similar to it. I have a bandit in it. Oh, dark stone. Dark stone. Elephant is basically dark stone by Coach. Okay. So yep, flawless. This is my least worn mini size Florentine satchel. Okay, I'm gonna follow that up with my black Coach Ruby 25. And I have her decked out with a little cherry charm. And then of course she has her other beautiful adornments here that come with the bag. Absolutely stunning. This bag has drop down handles, which is nice. So the handles are out of the way whenever you're trying to get in and out of the bag. The zipper goes clear all the way to the sides. You guys know what a ruby satchel is. I mean, I don't have to like go in depth about it. But I don't wear my ruby satchels as much as I do my Florentine satchels, but I love and appreciate how gorgeously made these are. I prefer this bag to the Rogue, and I just really kind of like the shape better, and I like the one compartment aspect of it. The interior of these rubies is phenomenal also because it's complete like real suede. That's not microfiber that's in this bag. It's real suede. But no, whenever I do wear this satchel, I'll wear it a lot of times with my Coach logo web strap. It's black as well, and it goes super beautifully with it. But yeah, she is a stunner. She is so gorgeous, so classic. Love the stitching, and just a joy to own. I really love all of these bags, but yeah, here's my Coach Ruby. I don't know if many people would consider this a satchel, but I am, because I know it's a bowler bag, but it's a satchel in my opinion, because it's got the top handles, again, the crossbody or shoulder strap, And so yeah, the Coach Burrow bowling bag is another favorite satchel of mine. This is in the color dark lime. And this is a bag I definitely wasn't thinking of getting, but I ended up picking it up at that steal of a deal $212 price that Coach was having on all of their Burrow bowling bags. Like, this was like a surprise color that they ended up bringing out into production. Like, it was just a surprise. So I like to have my T-Rex on this color. I did have this guy on my chalk one. I like it on my green dark lime. She is so pretty. The interior of these is amazing. It's all leather lined on the inside, and it has no feet on the bottom, which is fine. But no, I really, really love it. It's kind of a squishy, gushy leather feeling too. And then they put the strap placements in a good position rather than here and here on this bag. It kind of makes it a little bit more of like a camera bag with handles, with like grab handles. But yeah, whenever I'm getting in and out of the car, I love the feeling of these grab handles. So smooth gloved hand leather. Okay, let's move into the bag that I'm actually in right now. And I have not taken my stuff out of this bag. I started on September 1st with this satchel and I haven't moved out. You guys, I love the regular size Florentine satchels more and more now. Mini has always been my favorite because of the weight. This sucker is a heavy mofo, I will say. And it was a BI whenever I went into Costco today, and I was like standing there in line with this on my arm and it was heavy. However, that's like a sign of quality to me, and I can handle weight. I'm okay with it, but I know many people are sensitive to it. Anywho, I will just tell you I love this bag. It's my regular size brown Timoro satchel. I have it adorned with a little puff. I think I got this puff, I'm pretty sure just like off Amazon maybe, but it works. I love the navy color with the brown Timoro. Stunning, I love it. It's just nice to have this deep, rich chocolate brown, great for coming into the fall season and perfect for winter. The whip stitching on these handles is also brown Timoro, so this kind of makes it a little bit of like a monochromatic look, other than having this red tape, the zipper tape. But I just really love the hardware on these bags as well. I love all the points of hardware that are on these bags. So, okay, take you guys back to another mini. The black on black mini Florentine satchel. Kind of the same as the other ones, the other size, you know, this is just a small little petite version of the bag I was just holding. And it's black on black. The whip stitching is brown Timoro. So you get like a little bit of a contrast there, which is cool. But yeah, I'd say that out of the lineup, this is my second most worn mini size, the black on black. It's got the pretty duck logo, of course, feet. And yeah, I definitely wear this more than like my ruby. Here's these two bags side by side. If you just hold them up and see, yeah, I mean, they're just so gorgeous. The black with the gold, just so pretty. The leather quality between those two bags, I'm gonna go with Team Florentine. I'm so sorry, but there's just something about Florentine leather. It is gonna always have that smell, that rich, lush leather smell. I don't smell it at all anymore with this. And I don't know if I ever even had that leather smell with this bag. Yeah, I mean, if you know Dooney Florentine, you know that just buttery leather smell. So, okay. Love the green too with the tassels. Now, okay, here is the chalk version of the dark lime one that I just showed you. It's the Chalk Burrow bowling bag. I went ahead and got this cute little floret from Coach. I saw this little flower on Eva's channel, Fuchsia Floyd. She has the same look, same bag, and she put this on it. And so when I had to figure out what to replace Rexy with, so I went with this. And it's so pretty. Like, this is a bag that I think that is dressy or casual. Like, I think I could wear this totally for, you know, like an evening summer party with a dress. Like, it would be totally cute. And so I've had to clean this bag up several times though. On the bottom, I think it got some pen on it and I was able to wipe it off because there's no feet on the bottom of this bag, but I was able to really get it cleaned up and just fine, and there's not a mark on it at all. Yes, I'm mindful, very mindful a lot of times when I wear this bag, and the beautiful thing about this leather though is it's cleanable. Like, it's totally cleanable. I do have Colonel Carbon Pro now. I just bought that product, so I may spray this bag with it just to protect it from other stains and stuff like that. But no, it's gorgeous, glorious, and I love the Bruno bag. Okay, there's just 3 more bags to go, and then we're gonna talk about a couple bags that I may have on my radar and that are possibly coming. I have to show you the navy Florentine satchel. So this is the regular size in the color navy. She's gorgeous. Again, I put another little mink puff on her, and just, this is like total Nantucket vibes, like complete like Nantucket, or like heading to the Cape, you know, like let's go ahead and, you know, just rock this bag. Just looks so classic and chic. I love it. Very Americana. I love it. I can't get enough. Again, just like my Brown Tea Mora one, so heavy, but just rugged as hell. Like, this is so rugged. This is so durable. I don't even care. Like, I don't feel like I baby at all any of these bags. So, no, just so nice. I love the capacity of the regular size. So here is my navy one. This is not a broken in one at all. Like, I feel like I'm breaking in my Brown Tea Mora one. I want to wear that for like a solid good week to 10 days actually. This one I haven't worn as much as my Brown Tea Mora one now, and it needs a little bit more broken in. So okay, now for the bag that I have the love-hate relationship with, and I'd have to say that this is the most love-hate relationship out of my whole entire bag collection, but I'll never sell it. First of all, I don't want to wish upon anyone this bag because it hurts, but I've figured out my way around it. Whenever I do choose to use this bag, it's just open up the zipper, open up the mouth very wide so I don't slice my hand off. You know, I get it though. I just really, really enjoy the look of this bag though. This was the first Ruby 25 that I did pick up. I paid full price for it at the Coach store. I was kind of blown away by the Ruby at the time when they first brought it in, and filmed a video about it the minute that it came to the store because I was just like, oh my God, it's like a Speedy, but it's like a Rogue. It's like a baby between the two of those things. And I was just blown away by the fact that it's 1941, you get all these things on it, and it's gloved hand leather. And I was like, okay, what color combination do I want? And I just went with this one. But then it's like that zipper, you know what I mean? Like, there's just nothing you can do about it. So, but I just love it. I really kind of never want to part ways with it because these are not, they're out there to find, but I just don't want to source another one, so I'm just going to keep it. And then again, I don't want to wish upon anyone this zipper. It's like, oh my Lord. And then my final bag, which is like one of my top 5 bags of my complete collection. I love it. It's possibly top 3 actually. It's my broken in and absolutely buttery soft, gorgeous, chestnut mini Florentine satchel. I can't get over it. You know, this color is so similar to, I would say similar to Coach's new maple that they have out. It has red undertones and, you know, the brown. So the flap is so down, and this is so like good on the inside, and it still has that, like, it smells just like straight up like Wilson's leatherware. Like if you guys ever used to go into Wilson's back in the day, like you just get that of leather whenever you'd walk into a Wilson store. But yeah, I mean, this is my top favorite mini satchel, one of my top favorite bags in my collection. So I have purchased my Christmas present, okay? And I purchased my birthday gift. So my birthday and Christmas are basically a week apart, about 10 days apart. So because of the Labor Day sale that Dooney had, I did pick up 2 Dooney bags. Again, one's my Christmas present, one's my birthday present, and I'm not using them until Christmas and my birthday. So I know I'm gonna have to like portray some strength in not wearing them up until then, but I think I can do it. Like, I'm just excited to use all of these satchels for the month of September. And then maybe in October, I'll do like Hobo October or like Tote October, you know, something like that. And where I'm just kind of like breaking up the months and just only using like certain bag categories. So, and the Dooney bags that I do have on the way, I'll have to show you guys. I did post something on Instagram about which ones they would be. And I'm just so excited. Like, both of them are actually on my wish list. Like, they're both wish list items for sure. Like, I didn't just go out and just like sporadically buy these bags. Like, I have wanted a micro Florentine satchel for the longest time because I had the mini and I really wanted to try and see what a micro was like. So one is a micro Florentine satchel, and then the other one is a bucket bag from the all weather leather line. So both wish list items. I did sell my idol bag, so that's gonna help fund, basically cover most one of them. Like, I think actually it's gonna cover the cost of the micro Florentine. But yeah, the sale was too good to like not get, because as you know, well, first and foremost, it's tough to even get a micro Florentine satchel straight from Dooney anymore because they only had one color available. And then AWL never goes on sale with Dooney and Bourke, ever. So I had to like jump on those sales. So I'm gonna have to exercise some strength and not buy any more bags. My goal is no more bag purchases for the rest of the year. And then, you know, come next year, I'll be able to hopefully buy a few bags. But yeah, I mean, I'm super content. I'm super happy with everything. So, but thank you guys so much for allowing me to share my satchel collection with you. And the satchel style is probably my favorite style, I will say. Yeah, I mean, it's the style I think I have the most of. And then, like, I guess you don't consider the Marc Jacobs, the tote bag, a satchel. I mean, you kind of could, but to me, that's kind of more of like a tote because it's called the tote bag. Definitely Longchamp totes are totes to me. So no, I just, yeah, I'll have to categorize other months for bag wearing. So thanks guys so much, and we'll talk to you soon. Take care. Bye-bye.